It's me again, Cheryl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cook the lemon chicken. Very easy po siya. Favorite po siya ng aking alaga. So I'm going to cook it tonight because she asked me to have it as for dinner. So ito po yung ingredients ng chicken: lemon, sugar, salt, soy sauce, chicken, and lemon. Chicken, since kami lang pong tatlo, so I only have half kilogram of chicken po. So cut the lemon into slices. Ito pong sugar, soy sauce, and salt po. It's only for the taste. Later na po. Now we cut the chicken. I used to cut it for 3 slices. I take it out. Kasi fatty po siya.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far is the echo, where do we start?
So the lemon chicken is ready, and
here in the shadows, I know you
let's try po.
Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way.
Maasim na matamis siya. Masarap.
Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you